Hey everyone, in this video, I'm about to show you how to use Manychat Instagram. Open the Manychat website on the browser of your computer. Log in or sign up to your account here. Click on the automatic option shown on the left side. Then, you have to click on New Automation shown at the top. You will see the recommended templates here. Select the first one and click on Set Up Template. You can increase or decrease its size by clicking on the plus or minus icon shown here. Here, someone will comment on my post or reel. It will send them a message or link in their DM. Click on the new trigger option provided here. After that, you'll be able to see various options here. Click on User Comments on your posts or reels. It will show your posts here. You can select the post on which you want this automation. Click on it and you will have to type comments with specific keywords. After that, you can also write the comments to exclude these keywords. Click on plus keywords and tap the keywords included in the comments. Click Continue and choose would you like to set up a public reply in the feed. You have to type different reply options on your post. You can choose multiple replies at once and click on Save. Now, when someone comments the words on your post, they will get the DM of your message. On clicking Automation, you will see the message that people will receive after they comment on your post. By clicking on the bracket icon, you can add the option that they will get their first name written with this message. Click on Get a Checklist and you can get options to edit all this. In the end, choose the Send Live option here at the top of the screen. Now, it will be live and this is how you can use Manychats on Instagram. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.